Think your forklift certification lasts forever? Not exactly. OSHA has clear rules on when you must take refresher training. And if you miss them, your boss can pull you off the forklift. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the 5 situations where refresher training isn't just recommended, it's required. Welcome back to the channel where we make forklift safety easy to understand, so you can stay safe, keep your job, and work smart. What is forklift refresher training? Refresher training is like a tune-up for your forklift skills. Even if you've been driving for years, OSHA says you need to prove you can still operate safely. And refresher training isn't only for rookies. Even the most experienced operators have to take it. Here are the 5 times OSHA says you can't skip. Number 1, after an accident or near miss. If you're involved in an incident, OSHA requires refresher training to make sure you know what went wrong and how to prevent it next time. The operator must be retrained as soon as possible so they can understand what went wrong and avoid repeating the mistake. In most cases, this refresher training is conducted on site. Number 2, if you're caught operating unsafely. Maybe you're driving too fast, skipping pre-checks, or lifting loads wrong. If a supervisor spots unsafe habits, refresher training is mandatory. When operators are seen horseplaying with a forklift, it must be corrected immediately. Examples include racing the truck, giving rides on the forks, distracting the driver, standing on the overhead guard, overthrottling, dropping loads on purpose, or performing stunts near people. All of these behaviors are unsafe and require refresher training. Number 3, when workplace conditions change. New floor layouts, tighter aisles, ramps, or hazards mean you need updated skills. Even small changes in the environment can affect how a forklift should be handled. In these cases, operators must be retrained to address the specific challenges of the new setup and ensure they can continue working safely and efficiently. Number 4, when you switch forklift types. Going from a sit-down forklift to a stand-up or from electric to propane-powered, different controls and handling mean new training. Number 5, every 3 years, minimum. Even if nothing changes, OSHA says operators must be evaluated at least every 3 years to keep certification valid. But how do you know when it's time to be reevaluated? Just check your forklift certification or operator card. The date printed there is the day you completed your last training, and from that date, you can track when your 3-year evaluation is due. How is forklift refresher training conducted? There are 2 ways, off-site and on-site. Forklift drivers can be sent to a training school to complete refresher courses. The employer schedules and enrolls them, but this setup has drawbacks. Production suffers. No one operates the forklifts during training. Extra expenses, tuition fees, plus wages still need to be paid. Because of this, the most effective method is usually on-site training. It doesn't have to be in a classroom, training can be conducted right in the warehouse. With on-site delivery, the trainer can adjust the training to actual workplace conditions, address unsafe behaviors, provide lectures based on the trucks being used, correct mistakes, near misses, and minor accidents before they become serious. Who can conduct the forklift refresher training? There are 2 options, hiring an external trainer or appointing an internal trainer. Disadvantages of hiring an external trainer: expensive. Employers must pay training fees every time. Time-consuming. Scheduling and coordinating sessions can delay training. Possible travel. Operators may need to go off-site, halting production. Risk of non-compliance. If OSHA inspects and training is delayed, employers may not have proof of compliance. Advantages of appointing an internal trainer. Training can be delivered quickly when needed. Courses can be tailored to the company's workplace, equipment, and operator behavior. Much more cost-effective. Easier compliance with OSHA requirements, avoiding costly penalties. Internal trainers can regularly assess risks and reinforce safety standards. While outside trainers can be helpful in certain situations, having a qualified internal instructor offers long-term benefits, reduces costs, and ensures compliance. If you're an employer who wants to appoint an internal instructor from your team, you can send them to a Forklift Train, the trainer course. Link in the description. Forklift refresher training keeps your workplace safe and compliant while boosting operator confidence. Don't wait until accidents or fines happen. Take action now. Train your staff to become forklift trainers within your company and have them certified online for convenience and flexibility. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've been through this situation.